Hi everyone, so I want to do a real quick video on why you might not be able to save it as a 44.1 MP3 file at 64 kilobits. So let's go into it. Essentially, when you have a file that you need to export, you might not be able to actually save it as a 64 kilobit file because it needs to be set to mono. So that's the big trick, basically. And so basically when you export it and then file, this will be for a lot of podcasts and stuff like that. You want to make it as small a file as possible. That can be really important. So you want it to be 64 kilobits. You want it to be mono as well. And that's kind of the trick, where most of the time when you're at this file property, it will say not mono, but it'll actually probably be in stereo or same as source. And if you have it same as source, like original is stereo, and you try and change it, what you'll see is at 64 kilobits, it goes to 24,000 hertz. So that's obviously half of the sample rate that you want. So what you need to do is make sure that when you're at this export file area, you change this to mono. And you can do this with a WAV file, you can do this as an MP3, whatever it is, and then when you're saving it as an MP3, then as long as you make it mono, then those options will open up for you at 44.1, which is the sample rate that you want. So that's the real big key, is to make sure that you keep it at mono. And hopefully this video was helpful, just a quick little tutorial on that. And again, I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Bye-bye.